So, good evening, everyone. Welcome to our today's Adda session. Without delaying any further today, we will start with our host, Sangeeta ma'am. Sangeeta Singh is our community member from Jaipur who is super enthusiastic and a passionate gardener and a retired teacher. I'm sure all of you have seen and known about her collection of festival boxes. So far, we know her that much. So Sangeeta ma'am is going to take you down the memory lane today. Sangeeta ma'am, over to you.
Thank you, Priya. And good evening to everyone. So, anyway, I'll start with this picture. Can you all see it?
पता नहीं कौन सी समझ में आएगी मेरे को दिखाने के लिए इनको।
ये
ये
आप
ये
आप
कुछ मेरे
सबको
को कुछ वैसा कुछ लग रहा है कि ट्रेडिशनली इस तरह से
ये देखिए, कैन यू सी?
क्लियर
कैन यू
नहीं है,
मेक?
थोड़ा सा दूर करोगी?
हाँ,
नहीं, वो
आप देख।
रोशनी आ रही है उसके ऊपर, लेकिन हाँ कुछ समझ में आ रहा है, पर क्लियर नहीं है।
क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है?
हाँ, कुछ क्लियर
ये
नहीं है।
एक चेयर पे कोई बैठे हैं ऐसा लग रहा है
ये-
बीच में।
नहीं नहीं, देखिए, आप ध्यान से देखिए। देयर इज अ ग्रिल एंड देयर
हाँ,
समथिंग हैंगिंग ऑन द ग्रिल।
हाँ हाँ, कुछ है, वो
उल्टा पकड़ा है
लग रहा
शायद,
है।
अब सीधा हो गया।
हाँ,
हाँ।
कुछ लग
हाँ,
रहा
ये
है।
क्या है?
हम्म।
Why
हम्म।
this photograph मैं देखती हूँ तब बोलती हूँ काश मैंने ये you as Priya has introduced me as a passionate gardener, but she has also forgotten to say I'm a crafty person, means I love doing craft, and also I'm a hobbyist, which I have tons of hobbies. So gardening is one of my main hobbies, है ना? तो ये this is of a time when before marriage आई हैड हम असम में रहते थे, तो वहाँ एवरीथिंग ग्रोज। आप कुछ तोड़ के लगा
ग्रोथ।
दो, मिट्टी इतनी फर्टाइल है। तो टाइल पड़े थे, तो मैंने टाइल पे पहले ब्रिक का डस्ट लगाया, फिर थोड़ी मिट्टी लगाई, फिर मॉस लगाया, फिर चिकन वायर मेश लगाया, फिर ट्वीजर से प्लांट्स लगाए, फिर जब वो रूट ले लिया उन्होंने, तो मैंने उन्हें टंगा दिया, है ना? और
हम्म।
दे लुक लाइक दिस पिक्चर गार्डन, विच आई एम सॉरी क्लियर नहीं आ रहा था।
हम्म।
वो बंद कर देना।
इस तरह की मेमोरीज तो नहीं है, लेकिन हाँ अपने ही बचपन की या अपने बच्चों के बचपन की या इस तरह की कुछ मेमोरीज जरूर है मेरे पास।
हाँ,
अ,
बताइए आप अनीता जी। पहले तो आपने हाथ ऊपर किया था क्या? पहले मैं ये पूछना चाहूंगी।
मैंने जुबान ऊपर की। हाथ ऊपर
चलिए
नहीं
ठीक है।
किया। मैं
हाँ,
तुम्हें अपनी एक बचपन की फोटो दिखाऊंगी, दिख रही है?
और पास लाइए। आई थिंक प्रिया, हाउ डू वी सी दिस क्लोजली? हाँ हाँ, वेरी
now
नाइस।
we can see this. Now we can.
या
ये मेरे बचपन की फोटो, आई थिंक मेरे ख्याल से मैं शायद 9th और 10th में थी उस टाइम पर ना। तो बड़ा शौक था मेरे को फोटो खिंचवाने का, तो ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट फोटो उस टाइम पर ज्यादा चलती थी, तो मैंने ये ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट फोटो एक खिंचवाई थी। मेरी ये बड़ी फेवरेट फोटो है उस टाइम की ना। एक फोटो मेरी ये दिखाती हूँ मैं आपको, एक मैं दिखाती हूँ आपको। आ, ये थोड़ा सा डल होगी, पता नहीं क्लियर नजर आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही है। ये मेरे कॉलेज टाइम की फोटो है, ये भी मेरे कॉलेज टाइम की फोटो है। क्लियर पता नहीं नजर आ रही है या नहीं नजर आ रही है आपको। तो बड़ा शौक होता था तरह तरह के पोज बना के फोटो खिंचवाने का। उसके बाद मैं
वेरी
आपको
नाइस।
दिखाती, हाँ उसके
वेरी
बाद मैं
नाइस।
दिखाती हूँ। उसके बाद ये हुआ कि शादी हो गई। ये मेरी शादी की फोटो है, आपको शायद क्लियर दिख रही होगी थोड़ा सा।
मैम, आपने फोटो सारी सीक्वेंस में रखी है कि बॉयफ्रेंड के बाद वाली ही
मैंने
शादी?
मैंने मैंने ऐसे फैला दी है एक्चुअली ना, इस तरह से करके फैला दी है। ये भी मेरी एक फोटो, मैं अपनी मेमोरी दिखाती हूँ कि बड़ा मुझे तैयार होके अपना अलग अलग तरह से फोटो खिंचवाने का शौक हुआ करता था।
Hi,
अच्छा।
Sangeeta.
हाय
Nice to
हाय,
see
हाय।
नाइस टू सी यू टू।
you.
तो गीतांजलि मैम, आर यू देयर? वी आर
Yes,
वेटिंग।
yes, I am right here.
वी आर वेटिंग
एक minute.
to see this graceful lady's pictures.
This is the latest photograph.
Oh, nice.
ओ,
This is from Andaman,
अच्छा
and
अच्छा।
just looking at the skies and looking at the blues of that sea,
Beautiful.
it made us
हाँ
so happy that we didn't want to come back from there. और अभी भी हम लोग यही बोल रहे हैं कि वहां जाके रह नहीं सकते हैं क्या, बिकॉज आसमान तो यहाँ पे दिखता ही नहीं है, इतना स्मॉग है.
हाँ हाँ
Can I show you? See this? These are the
हम्म
different colors of the sea.
लवली पेंटिंग बनानी चाहिए इसकी तो ब्लू
Yeah,
हाँ
really.
हाँ
मुझे तो
हाँ
लग रहा था अगर मुझे पेंटिंग आती.
आती
हाँ
इट्स
तो
ऑल
पेंट बहुत
हाँ
ये
सुंदर
कुछ दिख रहा.
हाँ
हम्म
है।
सो मेरे बचपन की ज्यादा फोटोज है नहीं, और जो फोटोज है भी, मैं आई एम नॉट स्माइलिंग, सो इसमें मैं ज्यादा स्माइल करती हूँ, इसके लिए मैं अभी के फोटोज. लुक एट दिस वन, आई टेल यू अ वेरी फनी स्टोरी अबाउट दिस.
हाँ हाँ
I was going to the beach, and before that we had to go to the circular, no? The circular jail in Port Blair. So I
अच्छा
wore
अच्छा
this dress, cellular jail. So वो cellular jail में मैं सोची कि मैं तो वहां जा रही हूँ, तो उसके बाद बीच में तो यही ड्रेस पहन लूं. तो वहां भी bought this ticket, 30 rupees के tickets. They're telling me, नहीं नहीं, you go buy 100 rupees ticket. I said, why? They saying, because you're a foreigner. I said, listen, I'm not a foreigner. I said, I'm not a foreigner. And Niladri is telling me, I don't know what all you dress. क्या पहनते रहती हो, अब लोग आपको फॉरेनर बोल रहे हैं. So he started talking to me in Bengali.
Good evening, everyone, and good evening, Sukoon India Unlimited. This is a 2018 photograph. I have been the part of the metro rail, and the biggest challenge was to construct 118 kilometers metro rail, and the Japan has given us a loan for 63,246 crores. Being the head of the department, I have to manage this. And the green lights which you see in the photographs are 52-kilometer corridor. So if I recollect back, I don't know how I've achieved. It was only by God's grace, and we could hand over. These are some highlights. So I thought I'll just share with you all. And
very
all the
commendable, sir.
tendering has been by international competitive bidding, and it was awarded only to the L1 tenders by e-procurement, bearing all the principles of value for money, transparency, professionalism. And it was handed over by the book orders only. The second photograph is when we were in the services. What has happened is the Mumbai blast was there. At that time, the maritime borders were all porous, and the enemies intrude into the Indian airspace. So there was a need for making our maritime borders totally under control. So we had the Boeing aircraft, which was modified for mobile satellite system. So the defense minister at that time, Mr. Pallam Raju, is handing over the thing to me, and I was the regional director at DGAQA HAL Hyderabad. So we have fitted the mobile satellite system inside the Boeing aircraft, and the Boeing aircraft will make sortie from morning to evening and find out the boats which are coming and the sea link, whatever boats, like small ships or anything, and everyone will have a IP address, and the response calls will be given by the Boeing aircraft.
Thank you so much, sir. Who'd like to go next? Ajita ma'am, Deborah ma'am.
Okay, I shall go next. Yeah, so I'll just talk about it and don't ma'am me, Sangeeta.
Okay, Ajita. Sorry, my bad.
So, okay, so basically, why I chose this picture is because, there's this old song, "Those Were the Days, My Friend."
Yeah.
Has
We thought
anyone
they'd
that song?
end. We thought they'd
Yeah,
never
yeah.
end.
Yes.
Yes.
Those
Yeah.
were the days, my friend. We thought they'd never end. We'd live and dance forever and a day.
We'd live the life we
Life
choose.
we choose. We'd fight and never lose.
That is your mindset when you're out to to conquer the world. So that was my stage. And there's a lot of optimism, lot of courage, and also a lot of foolishness, I think, in this photograph. So carefree and foolish and willing to take on the world however it comes. And then, of course, as you traverse through life, you realize that there are many things that are not in your hand, and that there are ups and downs no matter what. And you just plod on and make the best of every day. So that is why I chose this photograph.
Thank you for sharing, ma'am. Thank
Very
you,
nice.
Aditya, for sharing. Very nice. Who'd like to go next?
You want to?
Sure.
তুমি দেখাবে তো? Oh, Niladri wants to show a photograph.
All right.
Ah.
Awesome. Thank you. Where did you go?
Tell them.
Yes.
Ah.
We went to the Niagara Falls.
Wow.
अच्छा Nagar.
Downstream of the falls is the Niagara River, and we got on the boat which forget the name now.
Made of the
Made of the mist, and it goes right up to the fall where the water is falling until it can't go. We put raincoats and we so the background we can see the falls, which doesn't show much, of course. So we put up in raincoats and all those things, and we are now on the boat actually. Somebody else took the photo for us.
Very nice.
So-
Thank you so much. Who's that?
Yeah, Kakul.
Yes, Kakul
Can you
ma'am.
see this?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So, these are people from my NGO, and this is about 15 to 20 years back. So actually, we follow the process of facilitating people who've completed 5, 10, 15, 20 years and
Right.
1 year. So as I was the first person to join, actually, this is the first function which was done. And this is,
Okay.
I think, after 5 years of this. So around 2000, I think 2008 ki hai, I think, ye photo. So,
Acha.
and the person who you are seeing here, the lady on the extreme right, she has started this NGO. And lady in the between, she is a senior, some principal from DPS RK Puram, and she retired from there, and then she joined our NGO. And she's 80 now, around 80, but she's fully active.
Very nice.
Yeah, and all these people are from the NGO only.
Nanuji, have you found your picture?
Few.
Oh, very good. Please share with us.
Can you say this?
Yes.
Hmm.
This was way back in 1979. My wife and with my 3 sons.
Ah.
But
Okay, now we looked
so
at
sweet.
that point of time.
Very
Yes,
nice.
sir. Very nice.
I have got another one. Okay, maybe this is better.
Hmm.
Yes.
Little higher. So just hold it a little. Yes, that's
Very nice.
very nice.
She passed away,
Mhm.
and the 3 sons are grown up and look like this now. This,
Oh, wow.
this is in 2019.
Nice. All memories, sir. All precious.
Yes,
Precious
I was just
memories.
trying to figure out what could I possibly share with the group. This is my granddaughter when she was a little child.
The higher, slightly higher, Nanuji. हाँ, yes.
Mm,
Very
okay.
nice. आप तो पहचान में ही नहीं आ रहे, हम नहीं बिलीव
हाँ।
करेंगे कि आप हैं.
And
Oh,
Oh.
Nice.
and is that you?
yeah, that's me
Oh my God.
without the mustache and the daddy.
So, are you done, sir, or any more?
Yeah,
Like-
just one more. When my
Okay.
first son was born,
Oh, how
Oh.
cute. Nice. Very
Lovely.
nice.
1973.
That is Suparna. What is
Suparno.
Suparna?
Suparna.
Correct.
Anybody else left? Bayana ji,
Shall I try?
हम आपको नहीं
Of
छोड़ेंगे.
course.
हाँ, बताइए.
So I found my oldest passport. It was made in 1986, but the photo is not 1986. Photo is used from the college days.
Oh,
अरे
Oh.
I will try to put it if you can see it.
Oh.
Yes, you can see
मतलब
that.
Yes.
आप पूरा मुड़ light is against like हाँ yes now it's better. Yes,
Yes,
अब
yes.
clear है.
So
कभी
this,
नहीं believe और
You
ऊपर
you
ऊपर थोड़ा
would
सा ऊपर
look
करो.
like this now.
sure.
ऊपर ऊपर करिए हाँ
हाँ,
कभी नहीं
okay.
विश्वास होगा कि आप हैं ये
हाँ.
नंद जी आप गड़बड़
Exactly.
कर रहे हैं
अरे
So
क्या
this,
खूबसूरत लड़का है यार ये.
so this must be 1980, 1980, I think, photo. This is working with the German engineers. So you can see the two Germans and me along with them.
yes.
Hmm.
So this is 1986.
What were you working on भैया जी किस पे
Uh,
कर रहे थे
Our company imported a machine from Germany.
okay
So we commissioned that factory with them.
all right okay
Then I found an interesting photo, which is 1991, my year of marriage. So this
very
is both of us on the
This,
way to Nainital.
this is a
Nainital.
tamed young man.
Yes.
So you really want to see angry young man?
Sir,
We
Yes.
saw that.
Yes, show us.
Oh, अरे वाह.
ये engagement photo है.
Great.
So this is what I could find, the old ones.
very nice sir. Yes and if anyone like to go again they're most welcome
You have shared Sangeeta?
I shared my plants, but that was just. I can share many. I took out pictures, which of course I can't find, but now I want to share this. Like Priya, I'm an animal lover. I think we can have one session just on pets because we can really. I don't know if you can see this
Hmm.
picture.
Hmm. Hmm.
This is my handsome Heidi. She is a beauty. She was a beauty. I am going to switch off my ring light. You see, I had to set up a studio because of Sakoon. So I think you can see it better now. So she was this magnificent dog. And there's no other word to describe her. Just look at her. She was
Hmm.
about 3 feet tall and she weighed 80 kilos when or 60 kilos when she died. I lost her before she turned 3. And I
Hmm.
depression because of that. She was the most beautiful dog that I've ever had. I have now Tiffany. She's also very nice. I think she's Heidi reborn, in a new avatar. I see Heidi's soul in her. But
Yeah.
this girl, Heidi,
Heidi.
she was a head turner. And I used to drive a gypsy. Still have the gypsy, which is also ancient now. So she would sit on my side and we would go for a drive and
So yeah. So
Okay.
Anita ji, I want to show a photograph of when I was young because I've
Hmm.
shown you all have seen me with this gray hair and
मैम थोड़ा सा ऊपर
Oh. Very nice.
so इसमें देखिए I'm holding the toy उल्टा पकड़ी हूँ मैं. So I
Huh.
keep telling everyone that if I get things wrong, then don't blame me. Like right from the beginning, I was holding the bird upside down though. And these are the two babies of Pixie.
Oh.
And this is when I was about maybe 19, 20. So yeah. And this is in college. So 21 maybe. Can you guess who is Gitanjali in this picture?
In the picture, on the extreme right.
So right means which? This side or this
Yeah.
side? This side.
Right of
Okay.
the picture as we are seeing it.
This one?
Yes.
No.
No.
I think जो ये पेपर पकड़ा हुआ है क्या ना थोड़ा
ये?
सा हाँ
No.
no
She's a Bengali though.
oh और इसके पीछे
ये
नहीं, यही जो पेपर पकड़ा हुआ है, एक और पीछे इनके बिल्कुल बैक में,
लेफ्ट से
पीछे,
सेकंड, लेफ्ट से सेकंड।
लेफ्ट से सेकंड, हाँ
ये
हाँ हाँ
या दैट्स मी
हाँ,
साड़ी
क्योंकि आप इससे फेस मेरे को लगा कि छुपा रहे हो
सा-
उस टाइम पर।
साड़ी draped over my shoulder.
हाँ
It just struck me to show something.
Yes.
Yes, please.
Although you said photos, but I had one photo hung in my room,
Mhm.
Please show us.
which is my US patent.
Okay.
So can you see this?
आ जाओ।
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
wow.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Let's clap for Bhayana ji. All of us.
Thank you, thank you.
Shout out to you,
Ekdam,
sir.
ekdam.
Really. Nice to see you smiling and happy, sir.
Thank you, thank you very much.
Niladri here. I will nominate him.
आप दोनों साथ में
Acha, to end on a very funny note, when I started writing to him, he was in the US. I didn't know him. So I thought since he's in the US for so many years, unko Bengali nahi aati hogi. So I just wrote, like, do you speak and write Bengali? And he then sent me one poem, and which I could not understand. And I had to keep looking up the dictionary. And then I'm quietly going and asking my father, what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of that? And he's saying, in what context is it? अब मैं बोल भी नहीं पा रही हूँ कुछ. So I'm like, नहीं, कुछ ऐसे कविता थी, तो उसमें, this word came up. And so after that, तो I, piped down. I said, Bengali में इनके साथ कुछ भी मुझे competition नहीं करना है.
Okay.
एकदम.
All right. Good night, everybody. See you
Okay.
at
Good
Silvassa.
night.
Thank you so much.
No,
You
good night.
Okay, bye bye.
Okay,
Bye.
Bye.